Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to become an election day worker in Jamaica. Here are the requirements. You must be literate. You must have a taxpayer registration number (TRN). Be honest and willing to work and attend training. And you must be at least age 17. Here is how to apply. Visit the nearest EOJ constituency office. Fill out and sign the application form. Wait for you to be contacted by phone. If you were not contacted, it means you were not selected in the final list.